me a smile. Oh my god!
Hola! Today we're in Mendoza, Argentina, got here last night and we've just finished up on a 2-hour walking tour, which, what would you rate that, Dylan? I thought that was the best one we've done so far.
8.5 out of 10.
8.5 out of 10. Very funny guy, very informative, and now we're just waiting to go on our wine tour. Just having a quick little pit stop at the New Jack
Peatonal. Got the vineyards in the back here. Beautiful autumn colors. We're about to go to a second winery, and then to finish off the day we go to a olive oil factory.
Incorrect, wrong way around.
Wrong way around.
Going to the olive oil factory and then we're going to another winery.
Olive oil factory and then another winery. Hopefully they don't make us eat any olives because we both hate olives. So. And this is how olive oil is made.
Not a place for people that don't like olives.
I had a nightmare one time about this exact situation and it has become a reality. Also, we signed up for a wine tour, so I'm not sure what the heck we're doing at an olive oil.
I knew that we were coming to an olive factory.
I didn't know we were coming to an olive oil factory.
This is why you need to tune into everything I say. So just dipping in and out.
2 out of 10. Look at this.
7:15 a.m. and the bus is taking us on a highlight tour today of all the biggest and best sights to see around.
No idea where we're going.
But looking forward to it, just waiting for our bus out here.
Podría ser peor, podría ser peor. Siempre se puede caer más frío, así que
blue one, couple white ones, little candy cane llama, very cool. So we'll strap these onto our backpacks so everybody knows that we travel.
Okay, so we just got to the top of this trail that gives you a view of Aconcagua. So it's not this point right here, it's this range right above my head. That is 6,902 meters high, and it's one of the 7 summits. It's the highest mountain in South America. The 7 summits are the tallest mountain on each continent around the world.
So aren't you glad to meet me? think you should. I'll be glad to meet me. If I were you, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should.
Disfruten en Iguazú estos días que van a estar.
Good soul, out of you, time is ticking slow. Yes, overdue.
And Jorge, and we have Paraguay up here, and Brazil over there, and we are in Argentina.
Wow. Today, we're in Iguazu Falls National Park. I'm talking monkeys, I'm talking tapir, I'm talking pumas, I'm talking tigres. We're gonna be seeing it all, not in the museum, but out there in the rainforest, ladies and gentlemen. Probably can't see it through that window, but it's out there, and it's big, and we're coming for it. We're talking about canopies, we're talking about different layers of strata, we're talking about ground dwellers, sky dwellers, and tree dwellers.
To take her to the most wonderful places on earth here. If I can take her in this creation, it must be love. Love.
Throw the chips on the table, pour that soup with the ladle, spin that motherfucking dreidel. This so fatal, cuz this Fiesta, baby. Fiesta, baby. Fiesta, baby. Fiesta, baby. Throw the chips on the table, pour that soup with the ladle, spin that motherfucking dreidel. This so fatal, cuz this Fiesta, baby.
What's wrong with it?
I wasn't sure what we were eating. And it turns out it was intestines, bull intestine, water buffalo intestines, or it was vile. Not sitting well, didn't sit well while I ate it, didn't look good when it came out, didn't feel good going down. Luckily I have some salted beer to wash it down. We are currently in Salta, about to take the free walking tour at 10 a.m. from Plaza de Julio. You meet in the plaza in front of this big church here. Got our tour guide there in orange in the background. Jess is ready to go. Got a little dog hanging out with us.